From my early childhood, I remember my nana used to tell me stories about magical firebird, which could make your true wishes to become reality. And as a child, I always was inspired by this mystical creature, and I wanted to have it in my possession so I could have my wishes realized. And then I decided, oh, why don't I just create it out of paper? And this way I may share this dream with others. And I sat down, I thought of a design, and I thought it needs to be very bright because it's a firebird. So I wanted to use a lot of yellow, a lot of red, and I also got inspired by Turkish traditional evil eye amulet, which called Nazar. And I used some parts of it to insert it inside the feathers, kind of for embellishment, and make it even more attractive. Combine like my Russian heritage and my Eastern heritage together. And now I feel like this bird is alive, it exists, and it it makes my wishes come true.